Welcome to Nalla Narasimhareddy Education Society Group of Institutions. Myself, Kameshwar, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In previous two classes, we are discussing control of soil erosion and different methods of controlling soil erosion. In that, we are discussing mulching, cover crop, multi-cropping, high density cropping, agroforestry, rotational grazing. Next, we can discuss about shifting cultivation. An area forest is cleared by slash and burn and cultivated with crops for a second year before being allowed to remain to scrub and secondary forest. This practice will maintain soil fertility and reduce soil erosion as long as the low ratio population to land area is managed. And the next one is proper forest management. Through erosion, under forest cover is less, severe erosion may result when the hill forest area is subjected to clear filling, selection or shelter wood system should be adopted. And also afforestation means vegetation plays the major role in erosion control on gullies, areas and landslides. So forest program should be prioritized. So reforestation, afforestation means the overall area covered with vegetation. So it reduces the soil erosion, increase the infiltration, and also root zones plays a important role to arrest the soil in between the roots. So it reduces the soil erosion. And soil management, how soil are managed. It means and improve fertility and structure of soil. High fertile soil results in high crop yield, good plant cover, and therefore in condition with which minimize the effect of erosive agent, and management is not viable for land use other than agriculture. It includes the increasing organic matter content. Organic matter improves the causal-less water retention capacity and structure of soil. So increasing organic matter means it improves the causal-ness and water retention capacity and also structure of soil. And straw, green manure, some type of plants, etc., should be added as organic substance in agriculture lands. So 3 liters maintain adequate organic content in forest soil. And using soil stabilizers, how their soil are stabilized. Organic byproducts, synthetic polymers, the farm turbines the soil particles into aggregates and later bring about flocculation of the clay particles. However, soil stabilization are expensive for general forestry use. So we can purchase some of the chemicals and then that we mix it with the soil by growing these crops. So flocculation and clay particles. So it is when compared to general vegetation, soil stabilization will be costlier method. So you can add the polymers and polyvalent salts, the turbine soil particles into aggregates and latter being about propagation of the clay particles. The general growing of forestry when compared to stabilization soil will be more higher. And continued covering. What is meant by continued covering? And intercropping and also mixed cropping. What is intercropping and mixed cropping? Once the land is nagged, there is high possibility of soil erosion, but we can plant an overall area, so it will reduce the soil erosion. Hence, the land should be kept covered all around the year. So, maximum years we can cover with plants. Water may be plants. And intercropping. What is intercropping means? In this method, the space among the trees species are covered with agriculture crops, which helps in soil and water conservation. We can implement the more and more crops by intercropping or mixed cropping. So overall area, maximum overall years, only you can cover with plant means it will reduce the soil erosion, possibility to reduce the soil erosion. And mixed cropping, in the system two or more than two crops are raised in the same land and in the same time. The benefit is that due to different kinds of fruits, soil is protected more perfectly. And windbreaker, what is windbreaker? Are usually in this method tree species of string trunk, deep rooted and large crown are preferred, which are raised around the agricultural land. Here we can use tall trees, and deep rooted large crown are perfect preferred, which are raised around the agricultural land. Overall area we can use it deep rooted plants. And rotational cropping. So rotational cropping is necessary in this system. One crop is followed by next crop. One crop is followed by next crop, usually legumine, which makes the soil fertile. So it will reduce the soil fertility. Legumine crops means like fruits. It will use the it can be useful for food purpose also. And also terracing. And also terracing in hilly areas. In hilly areas, the farming should be done only when the land is terraced properly, because without terracing the runoff is increased and soil is easily eroded. In these hilly areas, farming should be done only when the land is terraced properly, because without terracing the runoff is increased and soil is easily eroded. And finally, sustainable agricultural management means achieving sustainable agriculture system, implement crop rotation, prevent soil erosion by growing soil binders, waterlogging must be prevented, perennial crops must be cultivated. Guideline for sustainable agriculture means implement crop rotation, prevent soil erosion by growing soil binders. These are the different ways for controlling the soil erosion. Terracing, windbreakers, so deep root zones and species of strength talk, this type. Rotational crop means one after another we can implement row by row, so it will use the more effectively useful for reduce the soil erosion. And intercropping, mixed cropping also, using stabilizer. General forestry maintenance will be by using stabilizer, it will more commercial. That means cost will be more when compared to the forestry, general forestry use. And soil management, increasing organic matter, minimize the effect of erosion agent, nevertheless effect extend to soil. And reforestation means overall land covered by plants, so it will gives the reduction of soil erosion and also reduces the landslides. Rotational grazing, shifting cultivation, an area forest is cleared by slash and burning. By a rotational crop, intercrop, you can burn the area and cultivated with crop for a second year before being allowed to revert to scrub and secondary forest. and agroforestry, rotational crop, mulching, cover crop. These are the methods for a control of erosion. This is the important topic in this unit. We'll discuss next topic in further next classes. Thank you.